everyone, it's me Faith and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're gonna be making a peach, blueberry and yogurt cake. This is very simple, very good for summer. There is not a lot of ingredients involved and it's very simple. Let's get started, shall we? The ingredients you'll need to make this cake will be butter, sugar, vanilla extract, eggs, flour, Greek yogurt, blueberries and some cut up peaches. We're gonna add the butter. Sugar. And close it. There we go, now it's closed. And mix it until it's nice and light and fluffy. If you don't have a mixer, you can do it with an electric whisk, or if you don't have an electric whisk, you can do it with a good old-fashioned wooden spoon. Okay, we're gonna add vanilla. And one egg at a time. Okay, we'll add the yogurt. We'll give this a mix. Okay. And add the flour. This is sifted self-raising flour. The measurements will be down in the description so you can just easily follow along. And mix this gently on a low speed. Okay. So we'll take this off. Okay. Alrighty, so I have some chopped up peaches here. I'm gonna plop this in the bowl. And blueberries. And give this a nice mix. Fold it gently. Okay, I have a tin here, greased with some baking paper, and I'm going to put the butter in. So we'll set this off to the side, and here I have 2 peaches and some blueberries. These are going to go on top. I'm going to show you how I'm going to cut them. So remove the stem and roll your hand and just twist it. See? You have a nice ripe peach. It's very easy to do. And just chop this up. Okay, so peaches are cut and we're gonna lay them simply around the tin. So this is ready. We're gonna pop it in the oven for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. This needs time to bake because it has fruit in it, and you have a fruit cake, you need it to bake. Off you go. Okay, so here's the finished cake. It's completely cool, removed from the tin. And on the top, to make it nice and shiny, I brushed it with some peach jam. You can do it if you want to, you can leave it as is, it doesn't really make that much of a difference. Let's cut this cake, shall we? And see, and have a taste. Ooh, oh yes, that looks lovely. You can see the beautiful blueberry here. Let's see. It's very soft. That's really good. Very, very soft. That's amazing. It's very soft and light, fluffy. It's very fruity and summery. It's a bit hot. Especially good warm. This would be amazing with custard on it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like, give this a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week for another video. Bye bye.